So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a page on your Duda website. So the first thing you want to do once you're logged in is go to your Duda website builder. So it's going to look something like this. From here you can see your layers, theme, pages, widgets, media, content, personalize, sell online, blog, app store, SEO and settings, learn. So through here you can see the option to go to your pages and click on that. Through here, you can even add a new page. You can see home, cars, how it works, about, single car, privacy policy, contact us. So there's a lot of different pages that you can set up, use, and so on. And you see all of them have this three dots next to them. So that's a more actions button. So let's use and see it on the second page here. You can see the option rename, show or hide from navigation, duplicate, page URL, set as homepage, convert, set as draft, and delete. If I click on this, you can see here, are you sure you want to delete cars? So they will give you just the title of the page, not everything that goes into it. So after that, you just click on yes, and you can see cars has been removed. Now, if I go and do this, undo my last edit, hopefully on the pages, so it doesn't really refresh through there. So make sure that once you do delete a page that you're certain that you won't be using it anymore, since these are more for editing of the page itself, not for setup on here. So uh, don't delete it before you're absolutely sure you want to remove that page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.